There's not a lot of things to do. She's trying to fix the car. She doesn't know what's wrong. But I look, it smells. When you go there, it smells like something has burned.
It's Monday morning. Yep, the boys have baked. And I'm making what? I'm making pepper for eggs. I'm boiling eggs. Enella says she doesn't want boiled eggs. She wants what? She wants to fry scrambled eggs. So she's making it herself. Cause here we don't do for you, you do for yourself. That's not gonna go. Containers don't want to fill. It's just for now. Fill them, eh? Like you're angry. That boy doesn't want to fill containers this morning. He's giving me attitude. These are the two madams. Morning. Life of a mommy. It's raining and I really need to get an umbrella. And I have to go to the market again. It's like I never stop going to the market. Like I'm always going to the market. Yep. And we don't even have lights. Danielle took a light this way since yesterday, but we'll be good because we have a solar backup. But now we need sun today to actually charge it up. Everybody's still sleeping, so I want to just rush quickly to the market and come back. And it's raining before it actually starts raining like crazy. Yep. But that road is not passable. That's what happens in Limbe on rainy days. Like you go somewhere and you cannot even go. I'm going to try the market side now, see if that is possible to get through. If not, I just have to go back home today and not go to the market. cars here. Cause traffic, and you maybe get there, you'll not be able to pass through it because it's flooding. Limbe on a market day with rain, bad combination. I'm just grabbing what I need and I'm getting out of here before I get stuck here down. I cannot get to my kids, get back to my kids. Up, no market for me today. You rain today now, I hide the car.
I don't want to store my police in my bag.
I got my lotion. Yep, nice to go back and see if I can maneuver my car out of that place and get home. I'm struggling to go back home to my kids. And when the rain will not let me. That's limbe. Limbe today.
Decision at the right timing, and so that's what you have to understand. Another weakness of the society is called lack of faith in God in yourself. You don't believe God, you don't believe yourself.
There's so much more I can do. So much. If I go back home, I was going to run my phone. I don't want to get to what I can get.
As I see it, defensive game is strong, but
Back home after braving the rain. It's not looking good out there. Those people in town, they're suffering. But I'm glad I'm back home now. Everybody's eating brunch, but eating nonetheless. And this is how we're going to spend the rest of the day, just hanging out, eating something warm, and staying indoors because nobody's going out at this rate.
Get you a uniform and you can join the team.
Yep.
Maybe then you'd realize how irritating.
We've not had light now for the last 2 days. Yesterday, our solar gave up. So now we're barely making it because there was not a lot of sun. So our battery is like at 20 or 25%. So we cannot really use anything. So now me and the kids want to go and stroll around. Take a drive around, just do something, you know. Get out of the house.
Very wet.
Alright, let's go. Yeah. That's your slippers.
Coming.
Now I have to wait for the girls. They're always taking so much time to get ready. They just want us to go, you know, just do a drive around so that they can get out of the house. They've been locked indoor for the whole day since yesterday because of rain and there's no light too, so it's just been like really boring. Let's just go and stroll around, then I can get credit and then I come back.
It's like you share because when I lose yours is... Does it? The one position. Okay, my car just broke down. So I just try and have the keys to the house, but I cannot open the house because I cannot open the house. The car broke out. It was first making brrr. It could not even drive very well at all when we were going somewhere. Yeah, and it was going it was going slow. It stopped slow. It stopped like. So I just go to the house and there's not a lot of things to do. She's trying to fix the car. She doesn't know what's wrong, but I look, it smells. When you go there, it smells like something has burned. If you something's burned. It smells. They finally got the car out.
The phone is finally working.
The car is finally working. It's not working. It's the kid too much. Hooray, the guys! Hooray, the car! My face is showing.
Yes.
Hooray, the car is finally working. Shit!